Right off the bat, idiom. This idiom means immediately or without any delay. It's used to describe something happening straight away or at the very beginning. Examples: starting a task. Right off the bat, he knew the answer to the first question. Meeting someone. She impressed me right off the bat with her enthusiasm. Instructions: when you arrive, call me right off the bat so I know you are safe. Shopping: he found what he was looking for right off the bat. Conversation: right off the bat he started talking about the main issue. Tips for remembering: visualize. Picture a baseball player hitting the ball immediately after the pitch. Just like that, right off the bat means something happens right away. Connect. Think about moments when you did something immediately without waiting. Practice. Use the idiom in sentences to describe situations where something happens instantly. Fun fact: the idiom right off the bat comes from baseball, where hitting the ball right off the bat means the action happens immediately when the ball is pitched. This sports-related phrase has made its way into everyday language to describe quick or immediate actions. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.